Hello guys, so welcome to Staadpro tutorials. So now we're going to see a new type of project in our Staadpro, right? So next finish. So I've given some rough name, so I didn't mention anything, okay? So don't worry about it, okay? So now we're going to take this front view. So for this I'm going to take this as my center point and a height of 8 meters, and over here this span, okay? So after that I'm going to in 3D, so I'm going to translate it toward the z axis of about 3 meters. Each spin up fan and link steps on, okay. So like this, the direction of 3 and the span of 8 meters. Click on OK. So now we will take the beams over here. So go close the mesh, add beam, add beams over here. So like this we need to select. So we have done our beams designing, right? So now we will go to our geometry, parametric, on add, select this as slab and OK, and select over here and like this. No openings. Click on merge mesh, so mesh will be created, right? So now go to supports, go to the front view, so click on create support and the fixed ones. The support, select this one, assign and S. So we have assigned our supports, okay? So after that we are going to take the properties, go to define, I'm going to take as 1 meter, and here we are going to take this as our longitudinal beams. So this has 0.75 by 0.5 on add, and the trapezoidal of so it's higher depth of 0.75 and this is 0.65 and this is 0.5. on add and close. Now take the circle, go to front view, select all these beams, assign the selected beams, assign and yes. Go to 3D. So if you go to rendering, we can see our columns, okay? So after that, again, now we need to assign these beams for this one, okay? Select over this, so all the beams will get selected, but we need to select only these beams, right? Ready? So here we can see. So see whether so these are the beams. So click on assign and yes. So again after this prismatic, for select missing attributes. So not for this, click on thickness of 0.1 point 2 on add, close, assign to view. So here we can see. So names has been assigned, right? So after that, we're going to take this prismatic trapezoidal for the missing properties, assign and fix. Now we'll go to 3D. So for here, we can see our trapezoidal ones. Okay. You can change this depth, right, of 0.9 meters, and change and close, go to 3D. So here we can see this loading condition. Okay. We can change this. I only close. After that, we'll go to materials, grade, S and S. After that, now we'll go to loads and combinations. We are going to add the load cases. Click on add the dead load. And firstly we'll add the dead loads. Okay. Add it. Add the sulfate, and we have to add the physical member load. Okay. So we have to calculate our calculate this one. So it is of how much? Minus 9.375. Add and it's of calculate for a column of 1 meter into 24. But it is of minus 25. Close, sulfate, centimeter, and so on. This so we should not take physical. You have to select the member node, right? Now columns, right? Select. Now go to load cases, click on add, details, live load. So this will be our structure. We have defined all our loadings, center view, materials, concrete, and is. Now after that we will go to analysis and print, click on add and close, analysis, run analysis and save. We are done with 0% all warning. You can neglect the warnings, click on OK. So you can see the animations about deflection to live load and this due to dead load, right? And the beams, so what are the stresses, movement, FX, FZ, MX, so what are the torsions, all the plate stresses. Now go to modeling, go to design, concrete is 456 parameters. So your compressive strength, fluid strength and shear. So what are different parameters? Take it 30. Enter Fi minus Fi sectional, Fi main add 60, Fi sectional also 40, add and close. Comments, design beam add, column add, slab element add, take off, add and close. Let's see, center view, close. Fi main is center view, close. Sectional is center view, close. Center view, close. Design, select the beams, edge, center view, close. Design column, select beams parallel to Y, assign and S, then element, center view, assign and S. Again go to analysis, add, close, analysis, run analysis, save. So here we are done with some errors. So we'll see what are the errors and we will rectify it. Okay. So it's saying that we are trapezoidal cannot be designed. Okay. So it is exceeding the limit. So we need to change our property. Okay. So we're going to change this property. Okay. So I'm going to delete this trapezoidal. So and this rectangle for this also. Okay, I'm taking the same for this. Yes. So again, analysis, add and close, analysis, run analysis and save. So we are decreased with some 2 errors. So we'll do some magics for this. Okay. So it has exceeding the movement. Okay. So like we have to what we have to do? We have to decrease the this load combinations to minus 20. Change yes and close. Right. So and then after general design, concrete analysis, and run analysis and save. So we are done with 0 errors, right? Click on done. Okay. Select the beams. Select the beam. You can see the concrete design over here, the shear bending deflection. And for these beams, and if you see for the columns, the circular column designing. So number of parts, everything deflection. So reflection of the beam, column, graphs. You can see the graphs. You can see for the platers, maximum absolute, stress, drive load and dead loads. So like this we can see all the, so if you go to our reports, so we'll getting the results. So warning can be neglected, we can design it later. So these are the reasonable designing of our beams. This for our columns. So we require so such number of columns, how much is required. If we see about the concrete design, at last we can see the volume of concrete and the dia spacing. Okay, so this is how we can see our this type of grade stresses in our, right, like the bridge type.